Giant Kyle Pia, your Rosas ng Santa Rosa 2024.
Congratulations for winning Rosas ng Santa Rosa 2024.
Thank you so much po.
Ikaw ay hindi lang good representation of Santa Rosa City right now. What do you think would be your takeaway?
Actually, my takeaway is basically like the things that I've learned from the pageant, yung process, lahat po yun. It inspired me, and I actually did not really expect to win this pageant kasi I was very anxious and nervous, but still, God really has planned for me, and thank you so much.
But you got a lot of special awards that made you really a queen for you to be able to get really the crown.
I trained a lot in Pasarela and Q&A, and I really talagang nasubok po yung paggamit ng time management ko.
You know what? What I love about you, you knocked down the very hard question, I guess. For a very young lady like you, that is a very hard question about talking about current events and divorce. You really did your homework well.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Pisa pa lang sinasabi nila, you are woman of color. How do you feel that you are now comparing to our Miss Universe Philippines 2024? Now you have the same aura, you have the same looks, and you have the same energy, I guess.
It's a big karangalan for me because Miss Universe is a whole another level, and she's my idol because she's very pretty, and thank you so much for that. I'll take that as a compliment.
What is the essence of your crown as Rosas ng Santa Rosa?
The essence of my crown is to inspire people who like me. I'm not really into people. In this Rosas, natutunan ko po kung paano makipag-socialize sa people. So I think I'm here to inspire other people who's like me po.
Would you like to thank any people out there, mga pasasalamatan mong mga tao sa iyong pagkapanalo?
Of course, I like to thank everyone po na sumuporta sa akin, and talagang nagbigay po ng marhabang pasensya sa akin kasi alam ko bang hindi po ako ganun kadaling turuan, but still, we did it guys. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much po. Yun lang po yung masasabi ko sa inyo.